Today we talk about how can you close your account on your eToro app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to show for you this like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings, you click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on account here. When you just click here on account, you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. We just keep going down here. You click here on close your eToro account, just click on it. Then here you select category here and you click on continue here. So then it's going to close with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.